Okay, so we're about to head out for another one of these trail runs. Not real sure what I'm going to talk about today, but maybe we'll see some cool stuff, and if not, then I get to delete the video and do no editing. But yeah, let me get my my watch going and get running, and maybe we'll stop somewhere and figure out what to talk about. Hey, so check out this tree. I think everybody thought they had to carve their initials into it. If you're thinking about doing it, don't do that. That's kind of neat though. All right. Hey, so I finally figured out what I'd talk about today. So here are my 3 things for non-runners to understand if they decide they want to run. And I'm going to try to keep this short. These are supposed to be little 2-minute videos, and I doubt this ends up being 2 minutes. The first thing is do it for you. It's your life. Make your own decisions. Don't do it because anybody said you're fat. Don't do it because, you know, so-and-so does it and you want to do something with so-and-so. Do it because you want to. 2, go and run or hike or whatever, somewhere you want to be. I don't like being in the mall. I would be miserable doing that every day. I like to be out here in the woods. I like to be walking along the river or the creek bed or somewhere where I might see some cool critters. That's where I like to be. That's where I go. You figure out where you like to be. Sometimes the green spaces are good, nice and smooth. You know, so these trails aren't so flat. Maybe you don't like that. This one is. The one I was doing a little bit ago, not so much. And 3, and this is the only kind of training one. Okay, I didn't really like that number 3. It's a very different number 3. You know, keep it training. Keep your exercises light. You know, training shouldn't be hard. You shouldn't be hurting all the time. And you know, you don't have to believe me. Listen to Tommy Rivs. But don't run hard. Run so you can do it regularly. Well, I'm doing my best. Back when I was training and actually going out and running races and crap, I mostly could run every day. I didn't necessarily run hard every day. I ran light every day. And I run it hard occasionally. Yeah, look. Ooh. And now that I'm a old fat guy, kind of using that as my way of getting back to it. There's no way I could go out and just run out near a sprint and get back and then be doing it tomorrow. Of course, now I have other reasons that make it hard to do it by, you know, 2 days in a row. Jobs suck. But yeah, keep it light. It doesn't have to feel like training to help you out. Make it a nice, slow run. Hike. Enjoy it. 1, you're gonna get conditioned. You're not gonna get injured. And 2, you'll enjoy it enough, maybe you'll keep doing it. All right, I think I'm about to run back to the car. I think I've got everything I want to say today. I'll see you guys next week, maybe. folk show. Here, I've been up all night. I wonder if I got it.